introduction video now. Hello there, I am Andrew the Older C2. I live here in the National Railroad Museum in Green Bay, Wisconsin. You guys are probably all wondering, hey, there's videos of your siblings back in England. Why isn't there videos of you? Well, to answer that, we had to wait until we got more wooden railway characters. Obviously, I apologize. Why, you may ask? That's because we needed to get wooden railway stuff to make of this. But I can confirm the American Railroad Museum Railway Tales will air next year. Not this year, guys, next year. It will air the end of January of next year. So that's your confirmed air date. We don't have the actual date it's gonna air. What day of the week will be its day? We do not know. But anyway, I'd like to thank you for watching this little introduction video to the American Museum in Red Radius. Oh, and one other thing, we are not going to cover politics in this show. I don't. I'm pointing out there, no one here likes Mr. Trump. He's full of tomato sauce. Taking a leaf out of this show called the show SpongeBob SquarePants, but still. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for watching and goodbye.